morning students. Today our topic is human circulatory system. So let's start off with the location of human heart, its weight, its size and shape. We'll also study its internal and external structure using model. So this is a human heart model. In this model, we'll be first studying the location. Location of the heart is, it is exactly situated in the mid-thoracic cavity below the sternum or the thigh bone. It is slightly bent towards the left side. It has an shape of closed fist. Also, its weight differs in males and females. In males, its weight is 280 grams to 350 grams, whereas in females, its weight is 240 to 280 grams. Next, we will be studying about its external structure. The external structure of heart will have a double-walled membrane called pericardium. It is a protective covering throughout the heart. Next is the tubular structures. The blue ones, that is this one, represents superior vena cava, one of the largest veins. This one is aorta, one of the largest arteries. This is pulmonary artery, and this side you can see it is pulmonary vein. Next is this yellowish colored portion. It contains veins as well as arteries. These veins and arteries are coronary arteries and veins which are involved in supplying blood to overall heart. Human heart has 4 chambers. That is, the right side comprised of right atrium and right ventricle. The left side comprises of left atrium, left ventricle. Now after studying the external structure, we will go through the internal structure. The internal structure appears like this. This would be representing the right side and this one left side. Right side is always dealing with the deoxygenated, that is carbon dioxide rich blood, whereas left side will deal with the oxygen rich blood. Now as I said, human heart is comprised of 4 chambers. These chambers are separated by the membrane-like structure called septum. Also the atrium and ventricles are separated by the flaps or the valves. The valves containing 2 flaps are called bicuspid or mitral valve. You can see here there are 2 flaps, and that is located between the left atrium and left ventricle. On the right, between the right ventricle and right atrium, we have tricuspid valve which has 3 flaps. This one. Next is, these are in general termed as atrioventricular valve. The reason is they separate atrium and ventricle. Next is semilunar valves. Semilunar valves are situated here. The one is seen here, that is between the pulmonary artery and the right ventricle. Next is here between the aorta and the left ventricle. So they are called as semilunar valves, and the one with the pulmonary artery will be termed as pulmonary semilunar valve, whereas the one with the aorta will be termed as aortic semilunar valve. So in general, human heart will be having 4 valves. Now the question is, why do we have valves? So valves are for the prevention of the backflow of the blood. So that is all about the internal as well as external structure of heart. One more thing, we have atrium and the ventricles walls differing in the thickness. The question of this session would be whether the atrium or the ventricles wall are thicker. We need to find out. We will discuss about that in the next session. Thank you.